Well, because Calvin just... No, gosh.
Okay.
That totally got captured too. That is awesome. Because I don't know a day off, and because we got the welder fixed, now it's time to actually get welding. So for part one of that, we're going to be building a simple wooden fixture. And I know wood is not ideal. I know it's going to get scorched, but it doesn't matter. This is just a tacking jig. So let's get busy. Am I doing something wrong? Now, one thing I will say is the reason why we're not gluing it down is especially with something like super glue, is my concern is the heat from the welding could actually start to vaporize the super glue, and the fumes from that are extremely nasty. You don't want to breathe them, so I don't highly recommend gluing it. B.
Is that the right bit?
Screw it. Literally. And figuratively. So there you have it, guys. That is the finished welding jig. Now, the whole point behind this is the long piece of steel can go in there. We're just using the short ones because it's easier. Short guy goes in right here. Set it in there. I can pop a tack, and maybe pop a tack down there. Helps hold everything in place, helps prevent it from getting warpy and whatnot, and just makes it easier and more efficient. So for the 5 or 10 minutes it took to make this, yes, we only have one more to make, but every little thing that you can do to help yourself make welding easier, it pays off. So, well, see you guys in the next part when we get busy welding. Thank you.